topics we call that BODMAS. It's called BODMAS, and the BODMAS is the steps and process to get the correct answer for the fractions. And now you see BODMAS, BODMAS. That B means is a brackets, and O means orders, D means divisions, M means multiplications, A additions, and S is subtractions. And so what is calling that you have to, in the fraction, you have to resolve first within the brackets, if you have it on the question. The second, you have to do the orders, and the third, you have to do the divisions. Fourth, you have to do the multiplications, and the fifth for the addition, sixth for the subtractions. And we can see the example. This is for the example 1. Okay, you can see what are the signs we have. We have the division, we have the bracket, and we have the plus. And once you take out the brackets, and it become here the multiplications. Okay. We can go here in the BODMAS. The division is here. The brackets is here. Then the first we have to do the brackets. Okay. We have to resolve the within the brackets, whatever it. Then everything else, then you can write it down. 6 division 2. Okay. This one we have to resolve first, because first we have to resolve the brackets. Okay. What we want to do inside, so we have to add both. That's what it is saying. These brackets, we have to add 6 plus 2, 8. Okay. Then now you can see 6 division 2. Then I call the bracket. If you take out the bracket, now you can take out the bracket, the reasons, you resolve the problems, and you get the answer within the brackets. Then you can take out the brackets. If you take out the brackets, it's become multiplication. When you resolve, because you have to do the brackets first. Then once you do it, then you resolve the problems within the brackets. Once that resolve the problems, then you can take out the brackets. Once you take out the brackets, then become multiplication. Now, what you want to do first? Okay. You have the division, you have the multiplication. Which one is first? Division. Okay, we have to divide. Okay, 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2, how many? 3. Okay, we can put multiplication 8. Because you resolve this one. Division is first. Now you can go multiplication. 3 into 8. 24. Okay. You can see within the bracket. Doesn't matter what sign inside the brackets, but you have to resolve that first. If it is, because this plus, the addition is the last one. But we did it first, the reason why, that is within the brackets. Okay. Now you understand that I resolve within the brackets, then I wrote it down the same thing here, and the same thing here. Then I took out the brackets. Once you take out the brackets, it's become multiplications. Okay. Now you have to do the division, because division and multiplication, division is the first we have to do, then multiplication. Then division, 6 divided by 2 is 3 into 8. Then 3 into 8, 24. Okay, second. in these fractions we have to do the BODMAS levels, then we have to do first brackets. Okay, there's a brackets here, then we can do the brackets. Then we can write it down. This is as it is, minus 5, and the brackets. In brackets we have to resolve, but these brackets have a 2 sign, that means more than one sign. Then we have to look at it again, the BODMAS. Which one we have to do first? Addition or multiplication? Multiplication the first. Okay, now we can do 6 multiplication plus 3 multiplication plus 2 means plus 6. Okay, it still is not resolved because you have here one sign between the digits. Then you have to resolve this problem until become one digits. Then within brackets, then we have to add 2. Now we resolve within the brackets. 100 minus 5. You can take out now the brackets. If you take out the brackets, what the sign become here? Multiplication 12 plus 1. Okay, over here we have more than one sign, and so we have to look at it, BODMAS, which one we have to do first. Subtraction, multiplication, addition. Multiplication the first. Okay, now we have to do the multiplication. 100 minus 5 into plus 12 means minus 60. Then you can write it down. Okay. If you know these ones, then you have to look at it. If you don't understand these parts, how become 60, you have to know the signs multiplications. If you multiply plus, multiply by plus means the result is plus. Minus, multiply by minus, the result is plus. Plus, multiply by minus, the result is minus. Minus, multiply by plus, the result is minus. This you should know. Now if you see here, minus 5 multiplied by plus, there is nothing minus. If no nothing, there is no minus, that means is plus. Minus 5 multiplied by plus 12. Minus multiplied by plus. Minus multiplied by plus means minus. 5 into 12, 60. Okay. Now you can go first addition. Where's the addition? These two you can do it together. It's no problem. This one first, or this one first, or this one second, doesn't matter. The results come you same. Okay. 100 minus 60, 40. 40 plus 1, 40. If you do it the other way, what you want to do in this way is the same thing. See, plus 100 plus 1, 101 minus 60, 41. I hope you guys understand these. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.